Today's video is going to be a how-to slash food review. Sorry about the unsteady camera. Currently my back is broken. I broke my back. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. But yeah, so we're going to do a Pop-Tart variety pack food review. In case you don't know what a Pop-Tart is, you've been living under a rock. Pop-Tart is this delicious breakfast food. You can have them anytime you want. 200 calories per pastry. There's 2 pastries in a pack. So we have a total of 6 packs in here. A total of 12 pastries. We're just going to wing it. We're going to reach in. I'm not going to look and see. Mystery. Son of a bitch. Mystery. Oh, what do we get? We got cherry. All right, so which one's a cherry? Boom. Right there is a cherry. Let's pop this bad boy in. We're going to pop these tarts. Put that shit back. Okay, so how are we going to open this with one hand? Let's undo the mouth. All right, here we go. We're almost looking over. There. All right, now we got it open with that hand. Would make a mess. All right, there it is. Pop-Tarts. All right, so one in. Oh shit, that one broke. So let's put the broke part up top so we don't like have a bunch dropping in our toaster. So there's already a bunch of shit in the toaster. And I'll usually just go for a minute. If you go for too long, they like ooze out and they're hot and they'll get burnt. So like just toast it for like, I don't know, what the fuck is this setting? See the knob? Somewhere over there. As you like. Let's get right in there. Yeah, that motherfucker needs cleaned out. Pop-Tarts. Cherry Pop-Tarts. Expired July 20th. Wait. July 24th, 2020. I don't think they're going to make it that long. Definitely going to eat them. All right, let's wait for this.
Jesus. Pop already. Oh yeah, we don't want to wait. I don't think we want to wait the whole time. We should wait a little bit though. Gratuitous toaster shots.
Oh, that was the pop? That was weak. There we go. That's a pop. Bam. Paper plate. Nice hot Pop-Tarts. Go sit somewhere and eat these. All right, so here we are. We have our Pop-Tarts. They should be nice and warm still. Wasn't like a clean break, but it's a break. So the inside looks like, shit was hot. Delicious. So here's our Pop-Tarts. Choke on Pop-Tart. Get glistening. Yeah. So shiny. Oh, sugar. Bling, bling. Okay, so that was how you make a Pop-Tart. Airsoft Fatty's doing the Fatty Chug Challenge. And it said chug 32 ounces out of a beer mug. But I don't have a beer mug. I'm just going to use my Powerade that I've been using. Y'all know me. 32 ounces. We did it in like 8 or 9 seconds. Now, hopefully I can breathe through this. Nose has been stuffed. No more excuses. Let's just do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fatty. Oh, I was seeing stars there at the end.